Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you the most effective Reddit proven fix for BlueStacks 5 not opening or not launching on Windows. Let's get started. BlueStacks uses virtualization and Hyper-V can block it. Search Windows features, thumbs up, 10 Windows features on or off, click on open it. In here, you just need to uncheck Hyper-V and Windows Hypervisor platform, uncheck it. And virtual machine platform and check it and then select OK option to save it. Select restart now option and restart the PC. Lots of Reddit users says BlueStacks started working immediately after this. If that didn't work, try this next fix. If virtualization is disabled, BlueStacks will not launch. To do this, you just need to find where BIOS key. In my case, I am using gigabyte motherboard, so my BIOS key is delete key. And after you are entered in the BIOS, you just need to find Intel virtualization technology. In my case, I've seen this option. Maybe in your case, you can able to see this option or this. For AMD CPU, you will see three option. Either one you can able to see on the BIOS. Go to start menu and select the power option and restart your PC. In starting off the PC, you just need to press the BIOS key in your keyboard. I just started pressing the delete key, just tapping. Once you are in the BIOS, use your mouse and you just need to select this advanced mode and go to tweaker and select the advanced CPU settings and you can able to see Intel virtualization technology. Just double click on it and set this to enabled and go to save and exit option over here on the top right and select save and exit setup. Save configuration and reset. Select the yes option. If that didn't work, try this next fix. Corrupted cache can block BlueStacks from opening. You just need to press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and type here percentage temp percentage and click on OK. Select any one of these folder and press in keyboard Ctrl plus A and right click on the folders and select delete option. Make its total of 38 GB. Select do this for all current items and select skip. Then just close up here. Again press Windows key and R key together and type here temp. Click on OK. Click on any one of these folder and press in keyboard Alt plus A and to select all and then right click and select delete option. Select try again. Select cancel it. This cleans all the cache and fixes launch issues. If that didn't work, try this next fix. BlueStacks depends on Visual C++ runtime files. You just need to download and install all version of Visual C++ from 2013 to 2022. To do this, go to search menu and type Visual C++ all in one and press enter. Select the first site, select the download option and select one of these server and it will start downloading. Select this folder icon to open it. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract and open it, right click on the install all option and select run as administrator and select run option and this will install all the listed Visual C++. This is a major fix that solved the problem for many users. If that didn't work, try this next fix. If the issue started after a graphics update, roll back the driver can fix the problem, guys. Just need to check my video description for this site link. Just select the link depends on the graphics card you use. In my case, I'm using Nvidia. This site will open up. In manual driver search, you just need to search where graphics driver model. If you doesn't know, then go to search menu and type device manager. Click on open it. Expand the display adapter section, and here you can able to see where graphics card model name. Just type the model name in here in manual driver search. In my case, RTX 5080 Windows 11, and I get two options. One is for laptop users and another one is for PC. In my case, I'm using PC, so I'm selecting the second option and select the find option. And now you just need to scroll down and select view more versions because this is the latest version. You got the problem. Scroll down and find your previous version just before 1 to 3 months before. You can download any one of the driver. Download the GeForce Game Ready driver. Select the view option and select download. And after this download gets done, you can install this driver. Many Reddit users confirmed a bad GPU driver caused the crash. If that didn't work, try this next fix. Right click on the BlueStacks 5 and select Run as Administrator and select Yes option. And it's simple but surprisingly effective for some users. If nothing works, do a clean reinstall can fix the problem. To do this, just need to open up Chrome and search Revo Uninstaller and press enter. Select the free download option under Revo Uninstaller site. Select the free download option and it will start downloading. Just double click on it and install the Revo Uninstaller. After the installation done, open it. In search, you just need to search BlueStacks. Right click on the BlueStacks and select uninstall option and select continue. Select here uninstall option and select uninstall again. Select completed option. Select scanning modes to advanced and select scan option. Select all and select delete option and select yes. Select all and select delete and select yes. And now we have completely uninstalled the BlueStacks 5. Open up Chrome and search BlueStacks 5. Select the first site and scroll down. For Windows, select the Android 11 64-bit download option. After the download done, install it, guys. And that's it for today's video. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching.